Alrighty, we have a very nice vintage earlier radio from the 1940s. Here in the country I was born in, RCA, Zenith, Emerson, Motorola made a lot of early radios, and we're going to test this one out and see how it works. It has a new cord on it. Here in the country I was born in, our radios plug into 120 volts. Plug it in. I'll turn it on. I'm not sure maybe that one turns it on. We'll let it warm up and see what it sounds like. We have, this is AM only, and WSYR AM is the best AM station here in Syracuse. I hear the sound coming in. So we'll start tuning back down to where WSYR is. So that's the most clear AM radio station. Okay, I just took this one screw out, and this is the antenna. So I can show you the tubes in the back here. You can see all those old tubes. This has like a little fence all the way around it on the inside. And there it is with the antenna put back on. And there's a close-up of the front of it. It says Emerson across the bottom there.